there is a big appetite for President Kenyatta to be in FOCAC for that discussion. We believe that it will also offer an opportunity for us to deepen our relationship. There shall be a bilateral relation with President Xi Jinping. I will be arriving in Beijing ahead of the president to also meet with my counterpart, Minister Wang Yang. And so really another opportunity again to deepen our relationship with the Chinese government. But FOCAC is also providing for us an opportunity to confer as African leadership. It has already been confirmed that about 50 heads of state and government will be in Beijing for FOCAC, which is a very good thing because FOCAC is conceived as a strategic partnership between China and the African continent. So we hope we can build on this. We can review Johannesburg and we can reflect together in the next 3 years in a 3-year plan of action, 2019-2021, in terms of the projects that bring meaning, that give traction to Africa's 2063 agenda, and particularly within, again, the framework of deepening intra-Africa trade, improving infrastructure on the continent, and deepening, the drivers, improving the drivers that can enable Africa realize its prosperity.